Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your air filter, your cabin air filter in your Ram 1500s. So this guy is located underneath your glove compartment. So first thing you do, you open your glove compartment. Your glove compartment has stops back there. You see the stops right here? You have to squeeze your drawer. You see like this one, but at both sides at the same time. So here and here to get it down. So once you squeeze it, it's already out, which I already did. I can do it while holding the camera. It's gonna fall down. You see all those pieces here? It goes inside these holes here. So when you put it back, you put it over there. So this is where your filter is located. You see it has arrows on it facing down. I'll show you why. So it has a clip right over here. So you just squeeze it in like this. You can do only one side and then we go out. And that's your filter right there. You put a filter. You see the old one has the arrows facing down. Okay, let me pull this one and get a new one. If you see there's a wire over there, you kind of have to squeeze the filter to get it out. Okay, it's pretty dirty. Okay, let me get a new one. That's my new filter. I'm gonna put it the same way with the arrows facing down. There is already. I had it inserted. Then push it in, and then we're gonna put this guy in. And this is very easy. You just put it over here, and that's it. Okay. It's one little detail I found. I noticed after I put the filter on, there's a cable here. That's a retract cable. For some reason, whoever replaced this filter before forgot to put it on. It goes right there, which is kind of cool. I found it when I was there. Okay, let's put the driver in. Put it over here. Like this. And squeeze this guy in. The other side too is in. And now it seems like I need to pull first the retraction cable. Well, so retraction cable has to be pulled first to connect it before push stops in. So at least you have a better idea how to replace your cabin filter. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, don't forget to pull your cable. Put the cable first before put your stops in. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you.